Okay, now I want to take the front fender off. But it's got these cables running through this little section here. This looks like the speedometer cable. This is the brake line. So I'm going to have to disconnect these so I can slide them out here. Get the fender off so I can clean that all up. Okay, let's get started on that. Okay, I think just loosen this nut up. And then pull this out. Pretty stiff. Gotta get this to go more. Give me more space here. I don't know. Maybe that's not the way to do this. It seems to be getting tighter. So maybe what we need to do is just push this up. Maybe I need some different pliers. Try these. Well, let's think about this for a while. Is it like some kind of adjustment here? Get that thing to loosen up. This comes loose. This has a groove here to get the cable out. I don't want to take it all the way out. All I want to do is try and get it to loosen up a little bit so I can pull it out. Let me think about this a minute. Adjusting the brakes. Okay. That's to adjust, turn the cable adjusting bolt at the front wheel and or the adjuster located at the lever. After adjustment, be sure to tighten the lock nut fully. Okay. So it's this. This is to adjust how tight it's going to be when it's done. Okay. Let's see what this says here. Brake inspection, replacing brake shoes, adjusting front brake, figure 18. Okay, that's what we were looking at. Loosen lock nut A, then turn cable adjuster B to provide 0.2 to 0.3 inches clearance to the mounting bracket when all cable slack is taken up. Okay. Okay. Let's take another crack at it. All right. Okay, I finally got this loose. Pulling up on it enough and using the pliers and pulling down on this part, I finally got it to slide underneath here. And now I see these nuts here have like a little groove in them. So take this rubber piece here and slide it down. There's a little groove here too. This all slides out. So this all stays in there. Okay. Okay, speedometer cable. Looks like it just has a wire in here. Pulled right out. Okay. And I'm not sure, does this spin out? Clean this off a little bit. Take this off. Don't want to lose that. I think this just turns. Oh, sure. No, it just pulls out. It's got a little, it's a little square end on there. It's just like my old Ranchero. Little square end. It fits in a little spot, a little slot in here. And as the wheel spins, it turns this, and that works the speedometer. Okay, so we got this all out. Now we can take the fender off real quick. Okay. Actually, I think I have my socket in here. There you go. A little faster. To the other side. Okay. It's got a little spot here it fits into. Let's just twist this out. All right. Get the front fender off now. It's pretty dirty too. Now we I'll take all these little pieces off, everything, and we'll get it all cleaned up too. All right. You hungry? Okay, I'll get you some food here in a second. Okay, this is where we ended up today. We got it going pretty good. Okay, I'll get your food in a minute. Hey, I'll get your food in a second. Okay. What we got left, carburetor. Probably needs to be cleaned out and rebuilt, you know. The cylinder, I'm planning on taking the cylinder head off, checking the top of the piston for any scorching. The electrical, I don't want to really mess with unless I have to. I was thinking about taking the headlight off, you know, to get in there and clean everything, but I might be able to just take it loose, you know, because I really don't want to mess with rewiring everything. As far as the wheels, I mean, that's another thing. I'm pretty sure these are like the original tires. I'll have to ask Daryl next time I see him. But this one's in pretty good shape. The back one, look at that. That's not. I mean, I'm kind of leery about riding too much on something like that. It's where it's got the crack, you know, it's got some cracking in it, so probably gonna have to get some new tires, you know. And to do that, then I'd have to take the whole wheel off. So I mean, it doesn't look too complicated. I'm worried kind of about the chain, relinking the chain. I've never done that before. Never done any of this before, really. Never owned a motorcycle before. Okay, so but anyway, it's coming along pretty good. I might start like cleaning parts next video and get some of the stuff shined up so you guys can see how that's looking. Okay, until then, I'll talk to you later.